In this video, I'm going to be telling you about 3 cryptocurrencies that could potentially this year, from today to some point this year, 10x or more. So if you were interested in hearing about potential cryptos that could 10x this year, you cannot miss a single piece of information that I have in this video for you. It is going to blow your mind. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Follow all of my socials. My links will be in my video description below. And give this video a thumbs up if you love cryptocurrencies. It helps us support the channel and to get these videos out into the algorithm. And if you want to get access to the most profitable trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, where we do small day trade alerts, we do mid to long-term trade alerts. If you want to get access to all my massive updates to let you know what's happening in the crypto markets at all time, even speaking to me on the phone, I have a whole bunch of services in my Patreon, which is in my video description below, that can make you lots of money in crypto. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. But let me know right now in the comments below a cryptocurrency that you think this year will 10x. So guys, I have 3 cryptocurrencies that are absolutely amazing. The first one is Doge Elon Mars. We also have XRP and this new cryptocurrency that is going to be released tomorrow. The release of this cryptocurrency will be 5 p.m. EST, which is literally less than 24 hours away. So we're going to be talking about all of these crypto opportunities right now. So the first one is Doge Elon Mars. A lot of you guys let me know in the comments below that you want me to talk about Doge Elon Mars. You want to know more information about Doge Elon Mars. But what we can see right now is this cryptocurrency is ranked 98 out of all the cryptocurrencies in the world. That's pretty significant. It is a new cryptocurrency, of course, a meme coin with a meme name and so forth. But is this going to be just a meme coin, or is this going to have some real utility? We see the market cap right now is nearing $1 billion, which is also very significant. And the way to buy this cryptocurrency is you can use Ethereum. Open up a MetaMask account, it's free. Open up a MetaMask account, put some Ethereum in there, and then you can swap your Ethereum for Elon Mars or Elon or Doge Elon Mars, all of which are the same cryptocurrency. Now, there's no particular reason why I am talking about this cryptocurrency, as is related to some type of news or some type of catalyst that's going to be pushing this crypto up. But because of the hype of this cryptocurrency is so big and so grand, and this community is growing so fast, I feel like I really need to share this cryptocurrency with you and to look at the charts. So I have been watching Doge Elon Mars for some time, and we did buy in the Patreon just a little bit ago the dip for this. So we are up in significant profits if you did buy Elon Mars in the Patreon buy alert. Now remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's just all of my own opinion. And none of these cryptocurrencies are paying me to talk about these cryptocurrencies. These are literally just cryptocurrencies that I want to share with you because I think that there's actual potential. Now, I've been watching this chart very, very closely. And if you know anything about technical analysis, this thing is setting up for a massive run here very soon. The reason for this is because if we look at the 4-hour time frame, what we are seeing is a massive cup and handle that is forming. This thing is massive, and the cup and handle is starting to break out now. So a cup and handle is a bullish pattern. Not only within the cup and handle are we seeing a cup and handle, but we are seeing a double bottom bounce here. But most importantly, we are seeing, which is even more bullish, a cup forming, which is a change or reversal in the sentiment between the buyers and sellers, the bulls and bears, which is flipping from bearish as we were seeing going down, and now the bulls are taking it up. So typically what we will see with a cup and handle is the cup and then the handle, which is a series of movements to the downside, just a little bit, which is also a retracement from this current local high. And eventually what happens is there is a resistance level, which is also considered the neckline or the top of the cup, which is pretty much just at the level we are at now. So typically what you want to watch for with these cup and handle patterns is you want to wait for a breakout past the neckline or the resistance line, which is the top of the cup. So what we want to see is we want to see a breakout past the resistance level. And if we start getting a breakout past the resistance level and breaking these other resistances that were also a part of the top of the cup, it is very likely that we are going to get a substantial breakout. The cup and handles signify right beforehand not only just a little bit of a breakout, but a huge move. And we are able to measure it. If we measure the whole cup, the length of the cup, and we take the length of the cup and put it to the resistance level, that will give us the approximate price target to how much this move could end up playing out, at least in the immediate short term or in the next several weeks to maybe the next couple of months. And based on this current move, we could see a gain of 43% somewhere around this area, which if I was short-term trading this, I would be looking to take my profits around 35%. So that is Doge Elon Mars in my opinion. Setting up for some big moves. We will keep making videos and talking about Doge Elon Mars in the future, their up and coming catalysts and so forth, because I personally think that this thing is going to be taking off. Now, the second cryptocurrency I want to be telling you about is none other than Zelda Inu. Now, this project is much different than other projects because if you actually take a look into their white paper, you take a look into their roadmap, you take a look into their team, these are actual people with their public information out there, which means they are doxed. So a lot of coins out there that are rug pulls, the people that have fake name aliases and so forth, because they rug pull, they steal people's money, they basically create a scam coin. Now, since these people are publicly known and publicly successful people, the likeliness of that happening is very unlikely. So what they're actually doing, which actually might be a huge catalyst that causes this thing to become super popular, is that they are donating a portion of the money that comes into this project to animal shelters, which they've already started donating money. This is absolutely huge. So they've already made one donation. You can check out, go to their website, zeldainu.com. Go to their website. You can check out everything you want to know about it. But here's the thing, there's 60% locked liquidity, and for quite some time. That's a huge piece of news. And also, the dev wallet will be completely transparent, and the team wallet, they will not be able, the people that are part of the team, they're not going to be able to sell their coins for a couple of months or even more. It's 2 or 3 months, something like that. Something which you can definitely take a look into. And in addition to that, guys, they have these massive audits that have taken place to verify how safe and how capable this cryptocurrency blockchain is going to be. Now, this project is releasing tomorrow, 5 p.m. EST, which I'm letting you guys know. I've already let you guys know on the Patreon about it for more information, but you can go to their website. You can go on Telegram. If you want to buy it, just go to their website. It says buy on PancakeSwap. You can go to PancakeSwap. You have to have BNB, the Binance Smart Chain, to swap for this cryptocurrency when it becomes live. Now, I've never really bought a cryptocurrency when it has gone live. We've always bought cryptos after the fact. So just my opinion, it would be very likely, as a bunch of people are speculating, when you buy literally when a coin launches, you could probably 20x your money very quickly. Whether that's true or not, it could be much greater than that. 100x could be 1000x, but this opportunity is huge because we are getting in at the ground level. Whether it pumps up 20 or 50 times tomorrow, if this thing really takes off, as it has a small liquidity starting, like a lot of these small projects that start with small liquidity, they can in a week's time become $200 million in liquidity, $1 billion in liquidity. I've seen it happen over and over again with these coins. And just based on this name, we could see some crazy gains. So let me know what you guys think about that. But remember, don't go crazy. When you buy coins like this, don't be putting all of your money selling everything you have. No, put little bits of percentages of your cryptos in there, your crypto portfolio, because if it goes up 1,000,000x, you make a lot of money, but if it goes down really fast or crashes to zero, which is very unlikely with this current project, you would not lose much money. So always do your own due diligence and research before you invest into anything, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, moving on, guys, XRP. Of course, you have heard me talk about this over and over again. In the Patreon, we've been buying XRP since it has been super cheap, and it is super cheap right now. Now, there are major catalysts coming up, like the up-and-coming Flare network launch, which is going to absolutely be huge. But the most important thing is that XRP, if you don't know, yes, of course, because of the SEC lawsuit in the United States, has kept this project down. It's kept it from being listed on major exchanges, but you can actually buy an Upholding KuCoin. Now, the thing about it is, because of this lawsuit, it has kept this project down, but this thing is traded all around the world. It's accepted. It's a huge thing all around the entire world. But they are potentially about, and most likely, very high chance to win the SEC lawsuit. And they have until May 14th to react to the dismissal, which is the SEC has until May 14th to make their reaction to the dismissal. So when this whole case is dismissed, XRP is going to be relisted on all the major US exchanges. And just that news alone will allow not only me and you to invest, but even more major institutions to start adopting this project like crazy. So there's a whole bunch of things that's going to be bringing this project up. And now, just based on the SEC lawsuit, when it's dismissed, it's very likely that XRP could probably hit over $3.30. Some people like BitBoy Crypto are projecting $10, $20, $30 per coin after this thing happens. And who knows how long that would take, but it's very likely. So XRP is a big portion of my portfolio that I plan on holding for many, many years. I believe in the project, what it actually does. And it's literally one of the fastest ways of sending money. And this was designed primarily for financial institutions to transfer billions of dollars at lightning speeds and at basically free cost, almost free cost compared to a lot of cryptocurrencies, which are less secure, which take more time, cost more energy, cost more money. There's a whole bunch of great things about this project. So you can buy it on KuCoin, KuCoin. And you can also buy this on Uphold, which is where I personally buy this, UPHOLD. So these are great coins. But if we take a look at XRP, I'm super happy with this chart because we are seeing a huge correction in the price of XRP, as we see a huge correction all across the board with cryptocurrencies. But XRP is also setting up because look at this. Ever since we bottomed out, we formed a high, but we've also formed an uptrend because what we are seeing here is the initial low, we have the high, and then the second low, which is significantly higher than the previous low. So I'm very confident in this uptrend here for XRP, for it to be continuing here this year, potentially making big gains. Now, I personally think that each and every one of these coins that I have mentioned today have the capability of 10xing or more. Let me know how much you think these coins will increase this year. I will be putting the links for Zelda Inu, how to buy it. I highly recommend joining their Telegram, where you can talk to the owner, you can talk to the people to get some more information about their project. Now that's going to be it for today's video. And if you got something out of the video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Share this video with a friend or family member. Follow all of my socials. Go ahead and check out the Patreon, and I'll see you all later.